So your engine bay looks like Swamp Thing just had an orgy in it. That's okay. We can clean it up, and you do not have to work harder than an ugly stripper, but you are gonna have to work smarter than Neil deGrasse Mike Tyson. That's for sure. Now it's time for my secret sauce. Now this hopper dressing will go good on any type of plastic that ain't clear. Don't try and use it as a lubricant when you're trying to get frisky with your loved ones. That ain't gonna go well. Just trust me, it burns for a while. So you're gonna spray this on everything again that is not clear plastic. Pro tip, when you think you've used enough, use more. Now the best part, you just sit back, drink a beer, and wait. Make sure you like and subscribe, and if I see you, I'll wind up drinking a PBR with you. Jeez, I love these PBR. Now, for the pure reason that I don't want water spots right now, normally I wash my car in between spraying this, but for the pure reason that I'm not doing that, I want to dry all the water that made it onto the paint because I do not want water spots. I'll show you soon how you can go ahead and ceramic coat your car. It's so easy. These guys are making so much money off you. Learn to do it yourself. Save a ton of money. Make your whip look good. Next time, also, I'm gonna show you how you can get your tires looking slicker than goose shit. And all you're gonna do is use the same spray, Meguire's hopper dressing. Links down in the description, I'm gonna get you a discount. Now it's about the time I'm gonna put on just a little bit more. I'm gonna pretend like it's KY jelly and it's about to do a special job. The more the merrier. You're thinking, Bubba, did you use enough? Nah, I'm gonna use a little bit more. And we're back. It's been about 15 minutes, give or take. I was playing with the neighbor's puppy, so I lost track of time. That's how easy this is. Now all I'm gonna do is hose it off, and you're gonna look at the results. Now, if you see that steam, don't be alarmed. I let the car cool down for about 45 minutes. It's still really good temperature to do this. You don't want to do it when it's fresh pulled into the garage after been driving it for a while. That's just stupid with two O's. Ladies and gentlemen, for your viewing satisfaction, I shall now use my blower to blow all the water out. And this way you can see exactly how well it penetrated, I said penetrated, down in and how good it really looks when it ain't wet. That's all it takes. It's as easy as can be. Next time, I'm either going to show you how to do the same thing with your tires, but that would take like 10 nanoseconds, or I'm going to show you how to put on some ceramic coat. I think that would be pretty darn spiffy. Be good to one another and go drink a beer for me.